Cordless impact drivers can be quite useful for various kinds of applications. These allow you to quickly and easily screw nuts and bolts without needing any electricity power plug or pneumatic air compressor. There are many products available to choose cordless impact driver, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best cordless impact driver from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DOALL 20V Max Impact Driver Kit. DOALL is a highly popular brand of power tools that makes all kinds of products. You can even find a great impact driver option from DOALL with the DCF 885C1. The DOALL DCF 885C1 cordless impact driver is the first driver in this article, and it offers a lot of things for its given price. Just like various other cordless tools from DOALL, this one also comes with 20V batteries. This battery powers its 1/4-inch chuck size that is quite decent for most options out there. It comes with a powerful motor that can offer a motor speed of up to 28 RPM. You get a 3-year warranty with this motor along with a decent build quality in this impact driver. 1/4-inch chuck size, 20V battery, 3-year warranty, motor speed of up to 28 RPM, decent build quality, ergonomic and comfortable handle for grip, easily change motor speed. Number 2. BLACKDECKER Cordless Impact Driver Kit. BLACKDECKER 20V lithium-ion impact driver is strong, accurate, and works well. This tool is designed very carefully, and it can do lots of different tasks well and easily. The most important part of this tool is its strong motor that can deliver a very powerful force of 1,375 pounds per inch. It can go fast at 3,000 turns per minute, so it is excellent for getting things done quickly and efficiently. One of the special features of this impact driver is its quick release chuck, which makes changing bits much easier and faster. This new feature gets rid of waiting time and makes it easier to change tools without any hassle. Efficiency and productivity increase because the impact driver works as fast. The design is comfortable for long periods of use because it has a soft touch grip. The 20V battery is a top-notch modern technology that powers this impressive tool. It gives a lot of power and can also work with other BLACKDECKER 20V tools. This means you can use the same battery for different tools, making them more useful and reducing the need for many different types of batteries. It is a perfect tool that people who do DIY projects and professionals. It has strong power, super speed, ability to do many things, and easy compatibility make it a must-have tool in your collection. Number 3. Bosch PS312A12V Max 3/8 In. Drill Driver Kit. As mentioned earlier, Bosch makes various impact driver models. And we are here with yet another option from Bosch that is a bit smaller than the previous one. Just like the name of this impact driver, it has a small 12V battery that makes it more ideal for basic applications. It powers a 3/8-inch chuck that is quite different than most other 1/4-inch chuck size options out there. This impact driver has a motor that offers a maximum speed of 13 RPM. That is quite decent for a lot of users out there. You also get a 20+1 clutch in this impact driver that makes it highly versatile. This electric drill driver combo has 2 speeds and 20+1 clutch settings, allowing users to make precise torque adjustments for accurate screw driving and drilling. The Bosch 12V battery drill set comes with 2 12V lithium-ion batteries to provide increased runtime. The cordless drill driver boasts integrated LED lights for improved visibility, allowing you to work anywhere, anytime, even in dark corners and low light areas. Number 4. Populo Impact Driver Kit. The Populo 20V Max Lithium-Ion Impact Driver Kit is the perfect tool for all your fastening needs. This strong tool is well made to assist both DIY enthusiasts and experienced professionals. There is a powerful 4-pole motor which is strong, delivering an impressive 1,770 pounds of torque. This driver is perfect at doing precise work, like screwing and tightening nuts. It can work at different speeds, going as fast as 29 RPM, making it versatile and able to handle many different tasks. This kit has a quick release 1/4 hex chuck, which makes changing bits fast and easy. The 2.0 Li-ion battery lasts a long time, so you can work without any interruptions. In one small and strong package, it makes your fastening tasks much better. This kit is your trusted companion, delivering power, versatility, and ease of use in one compact package. When it's time for a recharge, the included fast charger will have your battery back to full power in no time. Powerful 4-pole motor with 1,770 pounds of torque. Adjustable speed up to 29 RPM for versatile tasks. Quick release 1/4 hex chuck for effortless bit swaps. 2.0 Li-ion battery for extended work sessions. Included fast charger minimizes downtime. 39-piece S2 impact drive bit set included. Number 5. Porter Cable 20V Max Impact Driver Kit. Porter cable can be another great option if you are looking for power tools. It also makes impact drivers that are battery-powered and cordless. As per the name, the Porter Cable PCCK640LB cordless impact driver has a 20V battery system, and the battery has 1.5 Ah capacity. It is responsible for powering. It's a 1/4-inch chuck size that is quite decent. You get a useful battery fuel gauge display on the side in this impact driver. The high-performance motor can have a variable speed up to 29 RPM and can generate up to 31 BPM of impact for fastening. This impact driver has inbuilt LED lights in this impact driver that are always useful to have. Its easy load chuck allows the user to easily and quickly change the driver bits whenever needed. Unfortunately, this is a tool-only listing and you don't get battery or charger. A 1/4-inch chuck size. Recommended 20V battery with 1.5 Ah capacity. 3-year warranty. Battery gauge display on the size. Inbuilt LED light. Easy load chuck. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.